Find an exact value for the tangent of 285 degrees. We can break down the 285 degrees into 240 degrees and 45 degrees. We can then use the tangent formula to write this as the tangent of 240 plus the tangent of 45 divided by 1 minus the tangent of 240 degrees times the tangent of 45 degrees. So let's look at tan 240. If we draw a cast diagram, A, S, T, C, 240 degrees is here, and the associated acute angle is 60 degrees. Since we're in the T quadrant, the tangent of 240 degrees will be equal to the tangent of 60 degrees. And we should know our exact values and know that that is root 3. So tan 240 is root 3. Tan of 45 is a value we should know immediately as being 1. We then have 1 take away root 3 times 1, which is root 3 plus 1 over 1 minus root 3. We could use our knowledge of surds to tidy this further.